Ready to ditch those distracting video backgrounds and create awesome overlays? First, head over to Canva.com and either log in or sign up for a free account. Once you're in, create a new video project. Choose the dimensions that best fit where you'll be using your transparent video. For example, a standard YouTube video is 1920 by 1080 pixels. Next, upload the video you want to make transparent. Just click the Uploads tab on the left-hand side and drag and drop your video from your computer. Now, drag your video onto the Canva canvas. You might need to resize it to fit perfectly. Select your video on the canvas, and you'll see the Edit Video option appear at the top. Click on it. Look for the Background Remover tool. Keep in mind that this is a Canva Pro feature, so you'll need a paid subscription to use it. Click the Background Remover button and let Canva work its magic. It will automatically analyze your video and remove the background. Ta-da! Your video now has a transparent background. You can preview it within Canva to make sure everything looks good. Now, it's time to download your transparent video. Click the Share button in the top right corner and then select Download. Super important step, choose MP4 as the file type and make sure you tick the Download Video with Transparent Background box. This will ensure your video maintains its transparency. Click Download and your transparent video will save to your computer. Now you can easily overlay your video onto other content for awesome, professional results.